Let's be honest. When you hear the word Bali, this is probably what comes to mind. Packed beach clubs, heavy traffic, and long lines of tourists just waiting to take the same Instagram photo. It's loud, it's crowded, and honestly, it feels chaotic. But what if I told you, you're only seeing a small part of the island? Because if you step away from the noise and leave the crowds behind, there's a completely different world waiting for you. A quieter, deeper, and far more authentic side of Bali. A place where nature still feels wild and time seems to slow down. Today, we're leaving the tourist trail behind. We're going off the map to find the real Bali. We started our journey far away from the chaos. While most people head to the popular rice terraces, we went east to a place called Sidemen. And honestly, the moment you arrive here, everything just feels different. The roads get quiet, the air feels fresher, and suddenly the landscape opens up into endless green valleys. This is what Bali used to be like. No tourist crowds, no places made just for photos, just pure, untouched nature. Farmers still work slowly in the fields, just like their families have done for generations. Life here moves differently, slower, calmer, simpler, and in the distance, Mount Agung stands tall, watching over everything. There's something about this place that's hard to explain. You don't just see it, you feel it. And for a moment, everything just feels calm. But to really experience the wild side of Bali, you have to go deeper. Hidden inside a thick jungle ravine is one of the island's most powerful secrets. Nungnung Waterfall. Getting there isn't easy. The path down is steep, long, and honestly exhausting. A lot of people turn back halfway, but if you keep going, something changes. You start to hear it, a deep, growing roar, echoing through the jungle. And then suddenly, you arrive. A massive waterfall crashing down with unstoppable force. The sound hits you first, then the mist, then everything else. It feels powerful, overwhelming, almost alive. And in that moment, you realize something. The best places in the world are never easy to reach. They're the ones you have to earn. After the waterfall, we went even higher into the mountains. The air gets colder, and clouds drift slowly through the trees. Hidden in these hills are ancient temples that feel completely frozen in time. No crowds, no noise, no rush. Just silence and presence. Locals quietly place handmade offerings. Incense rises slowly into the air. Soft prayers move with the wind. This is the spiritual heart of Bali. A side of the island most travelers never truly experience. And maybe that's what makes it so special. Because it's not about taking photos, it's about feeling something real. To end the day, we left the busy beaches behind and headed to the west coast, Pasut Beach. When we arrived, it was almost completely empty. Just endless black volcanic sand stretching across the shore. As the sun started to set, something incredible happened. The tide pulled back, and the wet sand turned into a perfect mirror, reflecting the sky in deep oranges, purples, and gold. No noise, no crowds, no distractions. Just you, the ocean, and the horizon. And in that moment, everything feels still. Bali is more than just a destination. It's a feeling. But to really find it, you have to look beyond the obvious. You have to slow down, go further, and explore the places most people ignore. Because that's where the real stories live. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. And tell me in the comments, which hidden place would you explore first? I'll see you in the next adventure.